Good morning, guys. Welcome back again to my channel. It is Friday. Yay! Anyways, guys, let me start this vlog properly because I usually just forget. If you are just tuning in for the very first time to my channel, you are welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're a subscriber already, you know the drill. Thank you for watching again. Guys, I am super excited, super happy. As you can see, this is 1 week that I had. It's about 8 to 9 months now, and I just revived this week. Oh my goodness, how I wish I did it before and after. How I wish I did it before and after, but this week is giving me life. It wasn't this way. It looked dead before, like no life, no cows, not news. It looked stale. But let me show you guys what I used, in case you're wondering. And it's a life changer. All my wigs, because I recently just washed all my wigs, and the coily ones, I used this conditioner on them, and everything just turned back to as if I just got it new. And I was so surprised because I've never really used conditioner on any of my wigs. I just got the conditioner actually thinking it was a shampoo. I actually didn't know it was a conditioner. But so guys, this is the conditioner. Suave Essentials Juicy Cream Apple Revitalizing Conditioner. These did wonders on my wigs, especially if they are coily. Please get this, like you wouldn't be disappointed. I am super impressed and happy with the outcome of my week. Guys, this cause all of this wasn't there initially. My hair looked pale, but after using this gave it life. So if you're willing to try something new to bring back the curls in your hair, get this and come back and tell me. Come back and give me the testimony. You will be super impressed. So I'm happy I didn't throw this week away, because I was thinking of actually just disposing it because I didn't like how it was looking. But I'm happy I just decided to wash it with this and to see. So fam, let me show you what my mom got for me yesterday. She made jollof rice. So my mom came to see me yesterday. She's currently at my brother's house, but I'm gonna see her later this evening. So she made, oh my gosh, I've missed my mom's cooking. I've missed my mom's food. So she made jollof rice for me. I've actually eaten some part of it yesterday. Guys, can you see how this looks? So yummy. Like, not my usual jollof rice that I cook here. Yeah, this is so good. So yeah, I'm gonna have this for breakfast today because I am hungry and I don't want to eat nothing. I'm like, I need some munch on this jollof rice first thing this morning. So this is what I'm gonna have. It smells good. If you haven't tried it yet and you're thinking about trying something new, try chicken feet and chicken head. You wouldn't be disappointed. I'm hungry, man.
There's a hole on the.
My loves, I had to call my mom to let her know that she must show me how she made this rice. Like, I mean, I cook, yeah, but it's like she added some extra in this jollof rice. I told her, Mommy, you must show me how you made this thing. So she said, yeah, of course, before she goes back, we're gonna have to make it again. Then I'm actually gonna record it. I will definitely vlog it. So yeah, some packages came in today. I ordered some things earlier. Right here this week. So yeah, let's unbox together. Let's see what's in here. Oh, can you guess what I have in here? So guys, I got this La Vie et Spell Eau de Parfum. Lancome Faris. I don't think I pronounced that right, yeah. But guys, this is, I don't want to call this the best because of course there are other nice perfumes out there, but I got this in a tester for my birthday sometime last year and I literally fell in love. This smells heavenly, guys. When I mean something smells heavenly, this smells heavenly. So yep, this is what it looks like right out of the box. And can you see the inscription on it? Can you see? So it has an inscription here that says Riri. I don't know if that's super clear. Okay, yep. Can you see that, guys? See how beautiful this bottle looks. So first impression, let me spray it. And yeah, I've had this sometime last year, so I'm not expecting nothing less. I am not expecting anything less. Let me see. Oh, gosh. I got no words, guys. This smells heavenly. So what I do is I mixed up this with my Clinique Happy. So for me that's like my signature scent. So I mixed that with Clinique Happy and there's one other one I had but it's finished. That's Giorgiamani C, guys. These perfumes are like the bomb for me. This is something I've used and I'm super impressed, and this is something I would also recommend if you're maybe thinking of a new product to buy or a new perfume to try. And of course they have this in smaller size. They are not, how much did I get this? I got this at the discounted price because they were having a sale of about, is it 25 or 50? I can't remember. I got this earlier this week. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Sunday, 1:12 p.m. Guys, my mom just left. I just saw her off the airport now with my brother. And yeah, it's been a long day. So we got to the airport, started doing things. They have these limits in terms of things you can take, things you can check in and whatever. So we had to start like unpacking, start removing stuffs. It was quite a lot though, but happy we were able to get it all sorted out. And can you imagine? We had to pay extra 50,000 naira. This, if you're traveling to Nigeria, I heard there's a form you have to fill to get a QR code. So that's like a permit that enables you travel to Nigeria, and it also confirms that you've done your COVID test. It's just unnecessary money spent. Let me just put it that way. So we didn't do that. We now have to start filling that up at the airport, and yeah. To cut long story short, thank God she's on her way now and praying for Johnny mercies. And I got back. I've not been at home. I've not been in my apartment for a while now. I'm still in my brother's apartment because that's where she was. So yeah, it feels good to be back. It feels good talking to you guys. It's been a minute. It's been a while. I wasn't able to vlog back. Yeah. It's just I just wanted to be present and just enjoy the little time um last week with my family, so I just kind of pushed filming for a while, but the girl is back now. Okay, I am back now. So guys, I just got in where everywhere is a bit scattered, so let me show you guys. I have a quick unboxing that we do probably towards, and yeah, My house is in a mess, so please forgive me. That I took with me. I packed like I was going for 1 month trip, but yeah, this is the box that I took when I was leaving, and this is the one I brought back. I couldn't take this bag, so I just brought this here with me. Just mine. Skincare stuff. So yeah, guys, let's unpack together. I've been munching on chocolates all of this while. I'm not eating proper food, but soon. Just munching on these. A whole lot. I've eaten quite a lot today. So yeah, let me just put these. So guys, I got some Mary Kay lip gloss. Let me put it on. This is going back. I don't know why. Yeah, so guys, I just decided to try out the lip gloss. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, these are all my skincare stuffs. I also got some new mascara and this ELF lip gloss. This lip gloss is also the bomb. Let me put it on top of this. Micrology girl. Going back to this, I think I did a video on me switching back to chronology. Guys, I have cleaned up. I'm so tired. I'm hungry. I didn't eat this morning, so let's just do this unboxing quickly and I go get myself something to eat. So I just got done. I am so exhausted. I am tired. Well, I'm happy. Everything is where it's supposed to be now. So what is left is just to empty the bin and I fry my plantain and this my jollof rice. But let me quickly do this. Let me quickly do this unboxing. So this is ASOS. I shop from ASOS a lot. ASOS is like my go-to place to shop. So yes. So you all have seen this dress. If you haven't watched my previous ASOS haul, I just returned the other. Guys. Oh my god, I'm tired. They sent me a size 8 and what I ordered for was a size 5. Okay. Oh, okay. I ordered for a size 4, but this is, I think this is a size 8. Yeah. That's just one of the dresses that I got. Another one right here is I got some shoes from Aldo. I like the packaging. It's cute. It is cute. And this is just some socks to go, some mini socks. What do you guys think about this? So I got this for work. It's not my size perfectly. I think this runs a bit big. This runs a bit big. I can see my legs coming out of this ball. Yep, that is fine. I got another AirPods, not this type, the one with lightning connector. So I also got this for work. No. This, I got this one is the one I'm going to use for my phone. I don't know why I actually got this is because if you use AirPods, you know, after a while, it just goes off. For me, the battery doesn't last as long as I want it to. And you know, when you're jamming or you're watching something and all of a sudden it just stops. I don't like that feeling. So that was what made me go buy the normal one, the traditional ones that we know. Okay, this is proving quite difficult. It almost fell. Wow, the quality is as good as using these two. No difference. No difference. I just played the song just to test it and it sounded so good. Yep, so guys, I have come to the end of this vlog. I know it was a bit here and there, but thank you guys so much for sticking with me up until this point. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, this channel is growing. To my new subscribers, hello. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like this channel. And as always, catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. I have more and more wonderful content coming your way shortly. See you guys soon. Mwah.